Good morning, guys. Good morning to all. Guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? My voice is clear. Am I audible? Okay. All right. All right, guys. Yesterday we discussed data-driven framework, how to create the data-driven framework. If you want to create the data-driven framework, first we need to create one sheet. Inside of the sheet, you need to provide some attribute, and inside of the sheet we need to provide some attribute, and once you create the attribute you need to provide the instance, and after that you need to generate the combination of the we need to generate the combination of the manual and automation. See, instance is nothing but valid, invalid, and straight through. Okay, guys, valid, invalid, and straight through at any cost need to execute the straight through. Okay, see, you guys are observed. I will show you again. See, you guys are need to practice, guys. Okay. It's very important concepts, frameworks. Okay. You guys are at any cost, you guys are don't forget, please do practice. Refresh all, one object is selected. Okay. See, guys, you guys are observed. We need to choose the test case design. Under test case design, we created one uname, password, and expected value. Okay. See, guys, here valid. This is the valid. Just we need to remove 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is valid, and this is invalid, and this is straight through. Okay. The straight through at any cost need to execute the straight through. And this is the not sample. This one not a sample. Sample. And this is the password, invalid password. This is the straight through password. Okay. And after that, you guys are observing here. The first one, we need to provide, I need to validate the mm, this email ID. Okay. Sample, username. Okay. You guys are need to provide go to module, error message. and copy this one, please. And go to test case design. And after that, we need to create one more attribute. In this attribute, you need to provide this one. And after that, guys, this is invalid, this is invalid. So you guys are need to choose the character invalid. Okay, character invalid. And this one also we need to select invalid, invalid. Okay, and this is the straight through. This is the straight through. This is the straight through. Okay, see, this is the straight through. You guys are up. So I was created one set. Okay, I was created the data driven folder. Now you people are observe here clearly. Okay, now I need to set the valid and invalid data. Now I need to set the valid and invalid data. How I need to set the valid invalid data? You guys are observe here. Before set the valid invalid data here, first of all, I need to verify. I need to verify how many sets of data I am able to execute all possible ways. Listen carefully. If I want to execute this sheet, how many set of data I am able to execute all possible ways. See guys, this data, all possible ways I need to execute. How many set of data I am able to execute? You guys are observed. Here, you need to right click on here. And you guys are observed generate instance, all combinations, all combination. When you guys are provide that one, you are able to execute all combination. You are able to execute all combination. Okay, see, you guys are observed all combination you people are able to execute. You guys are able to execute all combination. And if you guys are, see, if you guys are execute any orthogonal, okay, see, if you guys are execute any orthogonal, only possible data you are able to execute. See, right click, generate all combination, orthogonal. See guys, only possible data we are able to execute. Okay, this is the first one, this is second one, this is third one, orthogonal. See, only I want to execute a only possible set of data, possible set of data. When you guys are choose the all combination, you are able to execute all the combination given data. And when you guys are provide the orthogonal, when you guys are provide the orthogonal, the time only execute only some set of data, only some set of valid and invalid data. Okay, see guys, now I need to right click on here, pairwise, pairwise. When you guys are choose the pairwise, just a minute, you need to remove this one. And here, right click on here and click on pairwise. See, when you guys are set the, choose the pair, see, every sheet, it should be displayed some pair, different pair. See, here valid, one valid invalid, and one valid under one straight through. Okay, you guys are observed pairwise, pairwise. When you guys are choose the pairwise, it should be displayed some set of data, some set of data, valid invalid and valid valid and valid invalid. Okay, see the first one, all combination, all combination, it should be displayed all possible ways, all possible ways, it should be display the data. That is we call exhaustive testing. That is we call exhaustive testing. If you want to do the testing, all possible ways, that is we call exhaustive testing. See here, all combinations, when you guys are choose the all combination, all possible data, it should be reflected. The next one, orthogonal. Orthogonal, when you guys are choose the orthogonal, only data set of valid separate, invalid separate, and straight through separate, it should be displayed. When you guys are select the pairwise, it should be displayed every pair like valid invalid and valid valid and invalid invalid, like that it should be displayed. That is we call pairwise. Okay, all combination, orthogonal, pairwise. Okay, three sets of data we are able to create in this application. You guys are observe, I need to create my own. Right click on here and click on create instance. In this I will provide the valid here. In this I will provide the valid here. Right click on here and create instance. In this I will provide the invalid username. Right click here and create the instance invalid password. Invalid password. You guys are observe, I was provided three sets of data here. Okay, three sets of data here. Just I want to select the, what is that one? Valid. Okay, see, if you guys are provide the valid, you need to use straight through. You need to use straight through. Straight through. And invalid username. And invalid username. Okay, invalid username. This one. I think please enter valid password. Okay. The next one, invalid password. Okay. See guys, here we are able to use valid password. Only we are able to use. Okay, done. Only invalid username. Only here, only invalid password. So here we are able to select the pipeline and invalid login successful. This is the set of a data. This is set of data. Once I create the data, I need to save the data. I need to save the data. And once I save the data, you guys are observe only valid. You guys are observe only invalid username. You guys are observe only invalid password. Okay. Once you guys are creating the data, you need to go to your test case. You need to go to your test case. Go to test case and right click here. We need to create the folder data driven framework, DDDFF. Okay, data driven framework. Under data driven framework, we need to create the test case. Okay, we need to create the test case tc underscore 01. tc underscore 01. You guys are also here. We are able to create a folders. We are able to create a folders. The first folder is the precondition. The second folder is the process. The third folder is the post condition. Post condition. Precondition, process, post condition. Under precondition, you guys are able to provide launch the application URL. You guys are able to provide launch the application URL. Okay. And here I need to provide the URL this one. Okay. I need to get the URL from the test configuration parameter. Once I provide the URL, I need to provide some weight, T box weight. Okay, I need to provide, not this one, sorry, T box. T box weight. And here we need to provide here we need to provide here 9, not 9, 8,000. Once you guys provide the T box, and here coming to the process, first of all, navigate to the login. First of all, we need to navigate to the login. Yeah. Navigate to the login. First of all, we need to use navigate to the login. Just you need to drag and drop under process. Once you guys are select the login, once you guys are select the login, you need to enter username and password. You need to enter username and password. Click on login button. Okay. Go to module. Yeah. This is the login detail. Drag and drop here and you need to put it here. Okay. See guys here, login detail. You guys are observe here. This is username. This is click on login button and click on login button. Enter the data. Here, you guys are observe clearly. First step. Once you guys are create the folder, you need to provide the expected data inside of the folder. And after that, you need to convert, right click on here, on test case, right click on here, convert to template, first step. See guys, there is no symbol, T symbol is not there, only here setting symbol is there, T symbol is not there. Okay, see, right click on here. When I click on the convert to template, you guys are observe, it should be displayed one T symbol. Okay, one T symbol. And after that, go to your schema path and schema name. See guys, schema path and schema name. There is no data is available schema path and schema name. In this time, what I need to do, I need to go to my sheet and hold it, drag and drop in my test case. See guys, before schema name is not there. Now you guys are observed. This is our test sheet. This is our test sheet. I drag and drop from my test case to test case design to test case. Okay, step number 1, create the folder, create the test case. Step number 2, and create the subfolder precondition, process and post condition. Step number 3, once you create the folders, in expected folder, what type of information is required, we need to provide. Okay, step number 4, once you guys are provide the information, you need to right click on your test case, create a template. And step number 5, once you guys are create a template, you need to verify schema path, schema name, any data is appear or not. Okay, there is no data before. Once you click on the create a template. And step number 6, go to test case design, and drag and drop this sheet inside of the test case. Okay, go to test case design, the sheet drag and drop inside of the test case. Okay, step number 7, once you guys are drag and drop the sheet, you guys are observe schema name, it will be reflected or not. The schema name will be reflected, it is working as per our expected. Okay, and step number 7, you guys are observe step number 7. Okay, see, go to test case, and you need to hold the attribute, go to test case and drop here, listen carefully, it is not an easy task guys. Okay, you guys are observe carefully and go to test case design, hold password, drag and drop inside of the here. Okay, and go to test case design and go to I need to change here string again, test case, that's it. Okay, now I need to select here true, I need to select here click. Okay, I need to select here true and I need to select here click. And after that, what I need to do, if I want to execute, you no need to execute direct. See guys, anything is there here, run in scratchbook is there here, there is no data. Okay, see, now I need to execute here. Once I do everything, right click on your test case, go to these 3 dots, create here, create template instance. Start instance now, installations now, yes. See guys, I will show you. See guys, here. You guys are observe. Instance. This is the valid data. Okay, see. Click on register. This is the valid data. Okay, that's it. And after that, invalid. See, invalid. What is the invalid? Username. Invalid. But password is the valid. And next one, invalid password. See, invalid password, but valid username, email. Whatever you provide in test case design, the data will be reflected when you guys are create the instance. When you guys are create the instance. See how I need to execute this one. If I want to execute this one, I am able to execute not in test case. You are able to execute template instance. Okay, see, running Scratchbook. Running Scratchbook. Now I will execute. I think test configuration is missing. Okay. See guys, now I will execute one more time. Need to launch the browser, enter the URL, and expecting click on login button. Yes, and enter the data. Click on login. Okay, and now I need to enter the data. We got a issue. Okay, here we got, you guys are provide close also. Mm. Okay, now I will remove this one. And here we need to provide close browser, and here I will provide demo store. Once I provide the demo store, right click on here, three dots, close browser, demo store. This is not create configuration parameter and recovery scenario. Okay. Actually, we are expecting here also close browser demo star. Close browser demo star. Demo star. Okay. Just actually manually I entered. Just I will check it is execute or not one more time. I will close. Run in Scratch. Oh my God. Click on login. Enter username and password. I think close. First attempt. This is the second attempt. Click on login. Click on login. Enter the invalid. Click on login. That's it. Okay. And again we need to click on login and enter data and click on login. That's it. You guys are able to understand? Is it clear or not? It is clear or not? You people are able to understand? You guys are able to understand? Any doubt? It is working as per our expected. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Okay, guys. See, we are able to provide, we are able to write one more sheet. Okay, one more sheet. There I need to validate the condition. Okay, see, I need to create test case design and sheet number. Okay, this is the, I will provide data driven sheet 2. Okay, and here I will provide attribute uname and I will provide attribute pw. I will provide attribute expected value. See guys, listen carefully. Okay, and inside of the value I will provide one instance. This is the valid username and valid password. This is valid username and valid password. Here I will provide, I will show you one more example guys. You guys are observe. Just I provide this is the username and one more attribute I need to create. This is invalid and one more attribute I need to create. Okay, this is the sample@gmail.com. Gmail See, you guys are observe. Go to your okay. See, business relevant is yes, right? And go to your character valid, not valid. This is the strike through, and this is the invalid. This is the invalid. Okay, this is the valid. Done. The next one, password, create a instance. Here the password is the Anil1234. Here the password is the Anil1234. And the next password is the invalid. The next password is the invalid. And the next password is the, just I will provide sample at the rate 1234. Sample at the rate 1234. This is the strike through. This is the strike through. And this is the invalid. This is invalid. This is invalid. Okay. What information is required? Yeah. See, guys, just I provided invalid, and this is the valid. Okay, done. And here you guys are observe. You guys are observe coming to the expected value. Coming to the expected value. Okay, coming to the expected value. What I need to create? Coming to the expected value. What I need to create? Okay, the first one is the this one I need to provide. Okay, and the next one, this one you need to provide. Okay, and next one, login you need to provide. Yes. And next one, you need to provide one more thing. What is that one? You guys are observe. I will provide. You guys are able to success. You need to provide success. Okay. See, this is the verification. So I need to choose here result. I will provide result. I will provide result. Okay. I will provide result. Okay. Once you create the attribute instance, once we create the attribute instance, okay, and next I need to provide the table. Next I need to provide the table. See, the next I need to provide the table. See, guys, this is the attribute, this is the strike through, this is invalid, and this is the valid. Okay, and this is also I will provide. This is also I will provide strike through. This is also I will provide strike through. Just I provided straight through. Okay, done. See, now I need to create again sheet. Right click here and right click here. We need to click on create instance. Here also we need to provide valid. Right click here, click on create instance. Here we need to provide invalid. Okay. And here we need to click on right click instance, invalid password. Okay. Invalid password. You guys are able to provide the data valid and invalid password. Okay. Valid, invalid password. Once you guys provide the data invalid and valid password, once you guys are provide the data valid and invalid, then you need to choose here but here I need to verify, I need to choose the success. I need to choose the success. And here I will provide, here I will provide invalid email, invalid email. Once I provide the invalid email, I need to choose valid. And here I need to provide the please enter valid. Okay. And here I will provide the valid username and invalid password. And I need to click on login. Okay. I need to click on login. Once I provide that one, once I provide that one, you guys are observed. This is, I will make a different way, guys. Okay. By using conditions. Okay. I need to use conditions. Save. Okay. Save. Go to test case. Create a folder. DDF2. Data driven framework 2. Copy. TC_01 and paste it. Precondition, process. Okay. Precondition, process. Just I need to remove this one. Done. Okay. And here, one folder, I will create one more folder here. I will create one more folder, that is verify. I will create one more folder, that is verify. In that folder, right click on here. I need to use if statement. See guys, in that folder, verify folder, I was created one verify folder and created one condition. Okay. One condition. In this condition, I need to log in the application. I need to log in the application pipeline. Anil123, login. Okay. And go to your software, go to module. And here, right click on here, create a folder, DDF2. And here, go to scan, application. Select this one. And click on save. And click on close. Come back to here. We need to remove email. Okay, email. That's it. And drag and drop your test case and inside of the condition. Drag and drop. Yeah. And inside of the condition here, verify the email. See guys, here we got, you guys are provide here exist equal to true. Exist equal to true. You don't need to click on anything here. Okay. Again, you guys are copy and paste it here. You guys are copy and paste it here. Once you guys are paste it here, you guys are observe inner text, and copy. You need to provide, and here you need to provide verification. Okay, that's it. Here I need to expecting the data is available inside of my application. I am expecting. So I need to verify. And finally, what I need to do, I click on login, log out. I need to click on log out. I need to click on log out. Once I click on the log out, once I click on the log out, anything is required here. Condition, then okay. I need to create one else condition. Right click here. This is the else condition. Okay. Under else condition, I need to create one more if condition. See guys, I need to create one if condition. Once I provide the if condition, I will create one more else condition. This is not true. This is not true. Else condition will be executed. This condition is true, then it will be executed. This condition is false, else condition will be executed. Else condition will be executed. Okay, you guys are observed. The first one. Go to module, error text, just to drag and drop. Yes. See guys, this is the error message. And here, and one more copy and paste and paste. This is the different way, guys. The first one is the different. This is the different. Okay. The first DDF is the different. This is the different. Completely different. Both are not same. Okay. After that, else okay. If condition exists, I need to verify only this one. This is not true, else condition will be execute. Okay, fine. This is not true, else condition will be execute. Okay, fine. Okay. And here, what I need to do here before creating I need to open the process. Yeah, here and convert to the template. See guys, convert to the first step. You guys are convert to the template. See guys, convert to template. That's it. You guys are converted template. And after that, what we need to do? And go to test case design. Here I will provide pipeline. Okay. Here I will provide pipeline. Okay. Test case. Okay. Next, I need to drag and drop the sheet. And I want to drag and drop the sheet to, see guys, this test case. Okay. See, now I will verify schema name. See guys, DD sheet 2. What is the name? Schema name? DD sheet 2. Okay, done. The next one, drag and drop uname test case here. Drag and drop uname test case here. Drag and drop password test case. Drag and drop password here. Happened. PW. See? PW. That's it. Okay. And after that, coming to here, I am expecting exist equal to true. exist equal to true. Exist equal to true. And here inner text verify. Okay, exist equal to true, inner text verify. That's it. You guys are able to understand or not? Guys, you are able to understand or not? Very good. Thank you. And once I provide this one, and after that here, I need to close and I need to provide the precondition, post condition, and copy this one and paste it here. See guys, post condition also is available. Okay, done. And you guys are observe. Before verify is not there inside of the DDF. There is no verify. Just here I mentioned here. Now I need to verify in DDF2. What I need to verify? First, I need to verify once login successful, this mail is there or not. Or after that, once I entered invalid data, this is appear or not, exist or not. Okay, this is exist or not. Please enter email. This is exist. Test case is pass. This is exist. The test case is pass. Is it clear or not? Okay. Guys, here okay. Here, you guys are also go to test case design. This one, drag and drop and put it here. That's it. Okay. The expected is available or not here? The expected is available or not here? It is available. Okay. And after that, verify it is available. It will be execute. It is available. See guys, the condition is true. It will be execute. The condition is false. Else will be execute. What is the else here? The else, we are expecting this text. The text is available inside of the sheet. Inside of the sheet, the test case is pass. Okay, template is completed. Finally, you click on save. You click on save. Once you click on the save, see, this is the different and this is the different. Okay, this is the different and this is the different. Data driven testing, I will discuss 3 different ways. This is the second data driven testing. Okay. Next one, right click on here, click on this 3 dot, create a template instance. Yes. Okay. See, you guys are observe valid. Your expected data is there or not valid? You guys are observe. Condition. See guys, condition. This condition is true. It will be executed. This condition is false. Else will be executed. The else condition will be executed. The else condition will be executed. Okay. And post condition, close the browser, and invalid. Okay. Invalid. Okay. And once you guys are create this one, you need to close the active window and click on save. Right click on here, run in Scratch. We need to click on login, enter the data, click on login, and click on log out. The text is verification is success. The text verification is success. Click on login. Validate the text, else will be executed. Else condition will be executed. Okay. Now else condition will be executed. Click on login. See guys, this is the different text. This is the different text. Okay. Now you guys are observe. See guys, it is expected everything. See, it is working as per our expected. It is working as per our expected. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Please tell me guys, if you have any doubt, I will clarify your doubt. If you have any doubt, I will clarify your doubt. Data driven testing 1, 2, and one more thing is there. 3 also is there. I will show you 3 also. Okay. You guys are able to understand here. You people are able to understand. Is it clear? Do you have any doubt regarding the data 1 and 2? Tell me guys, if you have any doubt. The next one, data driven testing 3. Data driven testing 3. Okay. How you guys are able to do the data driven testing 3. Okay. How you guys are able to do the data driven testing 3. As usual, step number 1, go to test case design, and create sheet dd sheet 3. dd sheet 3. Okay. dd sheet 3. And again, create attribute. The attribute un. Create attribute. the attribute pwd, the attribute expected value. Okay, attribute is completed. What next? Sheet is created at instance. What next? Instance. Right click on here. Click on create instance. Click on create instance. Now I need to use different email. This email. Okay. And I will provide here email. And next one. And create instance. Invalid. Next one. I will provide valid. Okay. See guys, you guys are go to your, yes, business relevant is yes. And this is I will provide the strike through. And this is I will provide the invalid. And this is I was provided valid. Okay. The next one, password. Create instance. The password is this is the password. And next attribute invalid password. Next attribute sample @123. And here I will provide strike through. Here I will provide invalid. And this is valid. And after that, what I provided inside of the sheet number, everything as it is, the expected. This is sheet number 3. Sheet number 2. Yeah. Coming to here, right click, create instance. The first instant I will provide this one. Okay. The second one, same as usual, guys. Same as usual. You guys are copy paste. That's it. That's it. Okay. This is straight through. Okay. This is invalid. This is invalid. Okay. This is valid. Success is the valid. Okay. Success is the valid. Okay. I was created sheet. I was created sheet. Now this is the result. Just I will provide here result. Once I provide the result here, I was created everything. And next one, I need to create valid, invalid. Right click. No, not here. Right click. You guys are provide here. And here we need to choose the create instance. Here you need to choose the create instance. Once you guys are choose the create instance, we are able to provide valid, create instance, invalid username, and invalid password. Okay, see guys, here valid, everything is the valid, but here I need to choose the success. Here I no need to choose username, just I want to choose here and valid. I no need to choose this one, done. Control S. Okay, Control S. See guys, DD3, how to create the instance, how to create the attribute, how to create the set of data, how to create the set of data. Okay, and if you want to create, if you want to, once we create the sheet, we need to create the test case. We need to create the test case. How we are able to create the test case? How we are able to create the test case? If you want to create the test case, if you want to create the test case, and go to test case folder, and go to test case folder, you guys are able to provide, you guys are able to provide here. Okay, you guys are able to provide here. Go to test case, create a test case folder, ddf3. Okay, that's it. And create a test case, tc underscore 01, tc underscore 01. As usual guys, whatever you created inside of the test case here, the precondition, purpose, this one you need to copy, verify also. Include, sorry. Not paste. Yeah, that's it. Okay, verify. Coming to the verify, I need to remove the if condition. What I need to do? I need to create two folders. I need to create two folders. The first one, valid. The second one, invalid. The first one, valid. Second one, invalid. Finally, I will provide the post condition. Finally, I will provide the post condition. That's it. Okay. I will set up the format. I set up one format. Okay. This is the data driven testing final third one. Okay. I was discussed three ways. Okay. And remaining test case design level is completed. Remaining test case, how to create the test case, I will discuss tomorrow. Okay, I will discuss tomorrow. Do you have any doubts? Anybody? You guys are able to understand? Do you have any doubts? Please tell me, guys. I was execute everything in front of you. I was created every framework in front of you. Okay. You guys are need to practice. It is very, very important. Okay. Don't miss, guys. Please neglect. Don't neglect that. Don't neglect that one. Please, you guys are need to practice. It is very, very important. The data-driven testing. And at the same time, how to read the data from the Excel sheet also I will discuss. Okay, I will create one Excel sheet. That sheet, how to read the data, everything I will explain. First of all, you guys are need to practice, okay, modular framework and data-driven testing. Okay, I will continue tomorrow. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, bye.